Hi guys, so if you saw the jumpsuit video that I sent out, here is the step-by-step tutorial. It's brief, so please do comment if you'd like me to slow it down or explain anything in more detail. It's made of lycra, it's long and stretchy, it could fit just about any shape. It has an elastic in the middle and it ties at the back, so you climb in through the top and then you'll tie it at the back. It was one of my favorite projects to do. It looks possibly complicated, but I found it to be quite fun and I hope that you will too. So follow along and have a look how it was created. So the first thing we always want to do when we're taking a garment to clone is just have a careful look at it, just see sort of the puzzle pieces that makes up this garment, and in your mind you'll get a picture of how to go about putting it all together. So you can see the sleeves are different compared to others. The opening is at the top, so just take note of that. And there we go. We've had our look, so let's get the party started. So the front section is just one straight piece, whereas the back is made up of two panels. So the front would just be to lay it down inside out, trace around it and cut it out, as you'll see later. For the back section, you'll have to put it down and trace out the one back panel. Then just simply turn it over onto the material that you've chosen and cut out the other piece. There you have it. As mentioned, it has an opening at the back with a tie back, so you do need to just measure that space and leave an opening at the top. You'll put right sides together as always and we'll sew down the middle. For the pants section, I'd like to refer you to have a look at the palazzo pants video that I recorded. For most pants it's the same steps, so just to cut out the front and back and then to join it by the crotch area and then sew down by the legs. What I did, as it has an elasticated middle, is you just leave some extra space for the elastic. Don't worry too much about how much space, because you will be trying it on and then adjusting the hemline at the bottom. Zigzag is one of my favorite stitches, especially for stretchy material or most fabrics, because it does give stretch. So for the bottom section I wanted to add a little bit of spunk, so I cut some material. It measured I think 28 centimeters around the leg, the bottom of the leg. What you do here is a basting stitch, which is basically just your straight stitch, and you pull the material together until it bunches and fits around the leg at the bottom. Pin it and then sew it. You'll see the final outcome in the video where I've shown the final product. So there I'm pulling it, make sure you've got enough cotton, and there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and please like and subscribe. Thanks, bye.